Hi there, my name is Christine and I am the founder of Ms. Person's Room Teachers Pay Teachers Store, and this is how my pixel color by number works through Google Sheets. So whenever you purchase a pixel color by number, it will appear like this on the student side. You're going to go ahead and students will solve each problem. So the first one in this case is -6 times 8. Well, -6 times 8 is -48. I'm going to type the answer in the box, hit enter, and several pixels will begin to color in. So I'm going to just keep going through answering each question. So you'll notice that every time I get a correct answer, more and more pixels fill in. Let's see what happens if I get an incorrect answer. So the next problem says -4 times 5. Well, let's say the answer is 20. That's not correct. So because it's not the correct answer, none of the pixels will color in. This is a self-checking activity, so students will have to go back to this answer, correct their work to -20, hit enter, and sure enough, now we see pixels start to color in. Now let's see what happens as I quickly finish this sheet. You will see that the picture is completely filled in now, and students will know that their work is correct, and you can easily check to make sure that they are understanding the material. Thank you.